Hi my friends and welcome back to my channel. If you decide to learn a foreign language with songs, there are a few important moments you have to remember about. Today I would like to tell you about these moments, and also I will share with you 20 great English songs that will make your English much better if you work with them effectively. Here we go. The first important thing is working with the English songs can be useful only as an additional part of your studying process. Don't think that learning English or another foreign language only with songs can improve it dramatically. To succeed in a foreign language, you should always combine different ways of learning, and, of course, working with the English songs is an important part of it. It was the first important thing about learning English with songs. Let's get to another one. The next important point is that when you listen to a song, don't think that a passive listening can be powerful that much. It's always difficult to understand the native speakers when they are singing, even if their English is perfect. So, when you are listening to an English song, always try to have the lyrics of it and read along. Listen to the song as many times as you need, translate it, and try to learn it by heart. This way you will store the new vocabulary deeply in your brain, and then you will be able to use it automatically when you speak. And the last important thing I want to share with you about learning English with songs is that you should choose good songs for practice. Try to listen to the native speakers such as Elton John, The Beatles, Sting, Madonna, Lionel Richie, etc. So that's it, my friends. On my blog you will find 20 great English songs that will help you to improve your English if you follow my recommendations and work with them effectively. You will find the link right below this video. So thank you, my friends, for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.